So we're going to be in this little area, massive food court with all kinds of food that you can get. And then right over to the other side is called a bar street. And then there's a pedestrian street over on the other side. But what I am going to do in this one is I'm going to explore some different directions that I haven't explored yet in Guiyang, which would be up these little side streets over there. I'll probably go up that Dairy Queen way. And then I'll try to come around over by this brown building over here. And then we'll see how long that takes. And then there's a bar street. I'll kind of give you a tap in for that. And Wutong Street, which is parallel to it. And this little food court area too. Guiyang, China. So this particular area is so cool that I've spent the last couple of videos in it, including Bar Street and just the main pedestrian street and such like that. But this particular one, I'm going to be walking around a lot more. So I'm going to be kind of looping around to one of the sides, and you get to see the main street where the traffic is actually going, because most of this particular area is all car-free, pedestrian-friendly, and filled with neon lights and restaurants and bars and all kinds of cool stuff with lots of people walking around. It's just such a cool area. It's actually one of the reasons I want to go back to Guiyang, because I feel like I'm just getting a taste of that, and there's a whole lot more to see there. But nonetheless, this is going to be number 11 of my Guiyang videos, and that means that I will be building the body of work. It will be finished in about 4 more episodes. So anyways, Guiyang, let's do a music video first, which is 75 seconds, and then I come back and do the walk and talk where you can hear me interact around the environment. Guiyang.
Oh, Guiyang. Oh yeah, Guiyang. I wanna see you, Guiyang. Show me, show me, show me.
I love Guiyang. The funny part about Guiyang is that a lot of people watch and see what I'm doing. Let me see. There's all these food courts that go all the way down, but actually my goal for this particular one is to go across this little plaza. Everybody's turning around to look at me. Not everybody, sorry. But there's a higher number of them here than other places that I've been in China. But I've seen one other foreigner. Hello. So she was looking a lot, so I was like, I better just say hi. Actually, they like it when I say hi, actually. People are really friendly. So I'm not dissing it, I'm just an observation because I'm noticing it a lot. So this whole area is a giant block with a food court thing inside. That down there is a pedestrian street. but I am going to go to a direction that I haven't yet. There's more. I love Guiyang. We're in Qingyun Fun. And I kind of want to see what's kind of want to see what's in all the different directions. Actually, they got a big giant train up there, Coca-Cola train. I saw a train go through the alleys over there a little while ago. So we are going to try to go through this alley ourselves. See what's over here. And if nothing's over here, we're gonna go over there. Oh, the public bathroom. Oh, okay. Well, now I know what this is. So that's men and women in the public bathrooms. So this is not a street, it's a good place for the pub, because there's a bar street right over here, so people could drink and then go over there and use the bathroom. And well, that's kind of good information. This is where a lot of people are taking pictures at. They're kind of taking it in all the different directions too, right? It's like okay. So we're gonna just keep navigating. That's the train right there. So there's a little train going through for kids. And then this is one of the alleys that I wanted to go down and see. I haven't went in this direction yet. Okay. So let's go down this alley. See if anything interesting is here. Looks like it's kind of quiet. There's some things up here. But we're gonna go in it anyways, because I want to see more of Guiyang and see what it looks like. Because you just don't know what you're gonna run into, right? And it is kind of lit up. At the minimum, I can come back around to the pedestrian street. Barber shops. Huh. Shrimp and squid chicken. So what's interesting about this is they have Lao Guo 8, which I can't pronounce, but at least it has like the pinyin, so that, you know, foreigner that's studying Chinese could. Okay. So this is actually part of the little Qingyun Fun alleys as well. But we're gonna head on out and go back into the main streets. And we have the busy street of cars. And we're gonna go right back down to our pedestrian street, which you haven't seen yet unless you're watching my other videos. But you don't have to watch that one before you watch this one, because you're gonna see that in a minute anyways. And so the pedestrian street is straight here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk around this block. We're on this street right now, in case somebody wants to do some cross-referencing. And we're gonna go back into our pedestrian street, and then you can see all the people and how lively it is. But it's kind of interesting, maybe just kind of seeing what this street is, because it's not part of the pedestrian street. Check out all the taxis too, right? I bet later this is, look at all these taxis are just lined up with taxis all the way down. Okay, so we're gonna go into the pedestrian street. Let's go down there, but that one was not as interesting as this side, because I already filmed and went down. So this is the pedestrian street, and now these apartments are all lit up now. It's like kind of amazing. Like, what if you were some young adult and you lived in one of these apartments and you lived right in the action in a city of, I think it's like 6-7 million people, 8 million, could be as little as like 3 or 5 million, but whatever it is, this is kind of like a destination spot of the whole city. So you could have those big windows, kind of look down on the events, have hundreds of access. Like if you were a guy that lived there, you'd be struggling not to have a girlfriend. Everybody would want to be your girlfriend, most likely. Or vice versa. Kind of nice lighting though. Let me just kind of do a 360 here. Yeah, it's kind of amazing. And some of those apartments have like the corner windows too. Actually, I'm surprised that there's not a bunch of people in those corner windows right now just looking out on the scene. And but to be honest, when you do have, like, sometimes I'll get a hotel with a great window like that, and you like anything, you take it for granted. So we are going to meander into this little pedestrian street, which is where we were at a little while ago. And now I kind of have a better idea of it. And there's a live house right here. Let's go to that live house. This is game zone. These are all the photographs of the whole area. It's a piano. Coca-Cola. I don't think I've walked down this street yet, but I'll just walk down briefly. That'll probably be a different street when I walk down that. Barber shop. And we're going to keep on doing different Guiyang so you can see more of what it looks like. But since we started out in this space, and if you see some of my past videos, I'll walk down those other streets down that way. And I'm most likely I'm going to be doing this one next. Yeah, so basically I'm going to actually go back down to this corner. I was eating some nice hot spicy Guiyang food, and now it's time to let it out of my body. So keep on watching for more Guiyang, and we'll see more of Guiyang.